YouTube. So today we're going through Free Code Camp, JavaScript algos and data structures, and we are in the basic JavaScript course, and we are learning word blanks, the 38th challenge here. So you are provided sentences with some missing words like nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives. You then fill these missing pieces with your choice, with words of your choice, okay? So consider the sentence. It was really blank, and we blank ourselves blank. Interesting. It was really hot, and we laughed ourselves silly. I was thinking of some other words, but anyways, moving on. So in this challenge, we will provide you a noun, a verb, an adjective, and an adverb. You need to form a complete sentence using the words of your choice. Okay, so we're really just going to concatenate a string with different variables. However we want to do it, it looks like. We also need to account for spaces in the string so the final sentence has a space between words. Okay, so it looks like we can just use we can create any sentence we want. So, dog big ran quickly. So we can say something like, I got bit by and then plug in an adjective, my adjective, and then another string. I got bit by plugging in this adjective, plugs in this string because that's the variable. So I got bit by a big plus space plus, because we need spaces, it's specified, we need spaces between all the words. I got bit by a big, and then a noun, my noun, plus. So far, our string goes, I got bit by a big dog. We're going to say, so I space, plug in our verb, my verb, plus very ran. So now we're basically saying I got bit by a big dog, so I ran away very, my adverb. This can be anything you want, just has to make sense when it gets rendered out, I guess, plus a period. See if that likes it. Perfect. So apparently we don't need a space at the end, we just need a period and a space between all the other words. So that's why I said I got bit by a big space, well, I got bit by a space big space dog space so I space ran space away space very quickly space quickly and then a period at the end. I don't know if this period is required. I don't know if it's going to make us do that. Let's see. It doesn't even make us see the period. Okay, so that works. Really, you can plug in anything. Just make sure you have the spaces, and we are just combining them with a plus sign, just like we've done multiple times in the previous lessons.